WURD's going. WURD's going now.
You don't have to pay any interest.
That's WURD. First station going. Let me take a look at WISP.
They are looking for his good instead of just settling for this counterfeit.
Now I'm a little unfamiliar with the Pennsylvania, how they do it.
Originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency Harrisburg.
Oh, I remember that.
This is only a test.
All right, thank you, WURD, for that test. Let me see if the TV. Oh, WTEL already went. WTEL went. I heard that. I heard the EOMs. Oh, WPHD. There we go. That's WPHD. Thank you. I forgot to check this AM station too. I'm not gonna miss it.
Alert system originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
Thank you.
Like always,
That's WXPN.
Texas.
The first FM station to go for me is WXPN. Oh, and they're already done. Wait, was that KYW? No, that was KYW. Okay, they went. Okay, nope, that was KYW, so they did go. And yet they still are not relaying. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Thank you. What took you so long? What took you so long? Don't tell me you're going to fail now. There we go. There we go. Thank you. You finally did something. There we go. WPVI's going off now. The TV's going off.
Test. This is a statewide required.
At least you did something more than Comcast. Thank you. You finally went on your second commercial break.
Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
That's it. Thank you. I honestly wonder if they could go with the New Jersey monthly test because they do cover a lot of New Jersey counties. I hear somebody. Oh, that's WXPN. Thank you. They took about 20 minutes to go. I guess I'm waiting for WIP now.
Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
We just set this thing change.
5 people that were coaching on the line, and thank God.
Things people love. Eligible for HD1 Philadelphia.
Wait, what?
88.7 WXPH HD1 Middletown, 91.9 WXPJ HD1 Hackettstown, and 90.5 WKHS Wharton. Member-supported radio from the University of Pennsylvania.
I am oh! WBEN is now going. What? This is random. I just came across this nowhere. Well, thank you. I'm actually not done yet. Thank you. Thank you guys for at least testing.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.